let me show you how you can connect your iPhone 17 by using HDMI cable into any TV. Okay, so there's like two types of HDMI cables. The first one with the double HDMI input and the second one HDMI to the USB-C. In my case, I have this one, the double HDMI. So the first end I have to connect for sure into back of my TV. So that's basically how it looks. This is the HDMI port on TV. You have to plug this cable over here. And if you have the second end with USB-C, you can just plug it straight to your iPhone. But in my case, I don't have one. So I have to actually purchase this hub that will allows me to input that HDMI cable here. And the second end is with USB-C. iPhone 17 support OTG, so it's gonna work. The company doesn't actually matter. That's basis in my case. So now plug this cable into the hub. And now this USB-C cable into your iPhone. And as you can see right now, we got this automatic connection. But if it is not working for some reason, you get a black screen. You will have to grab your remote controller and find the source switch button. So you have to just click on it and make sure that you have select HDMI input that is connected to your iPhone 17.